We'll guide you through how to enable macros in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel. So being able to use macros is really convenient as they can go and help you transform data. We'll need to make sure they're enabled in Excel though for this to go and work. So make sure you watch this full guide step by step and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. Let's go and get started. So come into Excel as I currently am. Now what we need to do is we need to go and head to the top left of Excel and you need to find the option for file, and this will open up this page here. You'll see some different options. What you need to do though is you need to go right to the bottom left and there you're going to find the option for options. Click there. You're going to see quite a few different things here, but what you need to do is come over to the left and you need to go and find the option for Trust Center at the bottom of the list and you need to go and click there. Now, what we need to do is go and get to the security and privacy settings. And to get there, you need to go to Trust Center. So come over to the right and you can go and see the option for Trust Center settings and click there. Now, what you need to do is come down the list and you need to go and find the option for Enable VBA Macros. So this is not recommended and can mean potentially dangerous code can be ran. But if you're sure and you know the code's safe, we can select that and you can go and press OK. Then press OK again, and that's it. It's now enabled.